Your question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of the customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic drink, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Here, it is given that all the drinks are edible, we can consume. So, Dorji can decide which drink is acidic or basic or neutral by tasting it. Acidic drink will be sour in taste, basic drink will be bitter in taste, and the neutral drink have no taste. There is also another method. Dorji can also use litmus paper. If he put one drop of each drink in blue litmus, the drop in which it changes to red will be the acidic drink. Similarly, if he put one drop of each drink in red litmus, the drink in which it turns to blue will be the basic drink, and the remaining drink will be the neutral drink. Question number 8. Explain why. Bit A. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity, because during acidity an excess of acid is produced in stomach. An antacid contains base such as milk of magnesia. These bases react with excess of acids and neutralize their effect, thus giving us relief. B. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. When an ant bites, it injects formic acid into the skin. Calamine solution contains zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature, so it is applied on the skin to neutralize the effect of formic acid. C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies, because factory waste contains acids. Therefore, these wastes, when thrown directly to the water bodies, harm the aquatic lives. So, these wastes are neutralized with basic chemicals before disposing to water bodies. Question number 9. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is the sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. We will put a drop of each, that are hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, and sugar solution on the turmeric indicator. The liquid which changes the color of turmeric indicator to red is basic in nature, that is sodium hydroxide. Now put a drop of sodium hydroxide on a drop of each of the other two liquids separately. Then put both the drops of these mixtures on turmeric indicator. The drop which changes the color of the turmeric indicator to red contains sugar solution, because the mixture of base and neutral is also basic in nature. The remaining is the hydrochloric acid. Question number 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. Here, the nature of the solution is either basic or neutral, because bases turns red litmus to blue but do not react with blue litmus. Neutral substance also does not react with litmus solution. Now come to your last number. Consider the following statements. A. Both acids and bases change color at all the indicators. B. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. C. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. And D. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which of these statements are correct? Here the answer is only D, because the color change depends upon the indicator.